Good morning.
Sir, what will we do today?
Today we are going to learn middle term factorization. If you all have any doubt from the previous class, then ask.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Say.
Sir, why do we learn formula? Can we discover coronavirus vaccine from that?
Then why do you eat food? Can you stop Chinese infiltration from that?
Sir, there is no logic.
Same goes for your question. Look at him. He is so serious. Okay, now I will explain the theory. Let's start. So today we will do middle term factorization. So generally, where do we do middle term factorization? Basically, we use middle term factorization for quadratic equations. Now, what are quadratic equations? Those equations which have highest power of x to be 2. Those equations are called quadratic equation. Let us take. Now I will write the general form of quadratic equation. So see this one: ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Generally for this kind of equations we use middle term factorization, but not for all. Only in some sums middle term factorization is applicable. In other sums there are different methods. If you want to know those methods, then subscribe my channel. In future I will be uploading those videos as well. Now see, this is the equation. Now what is see here, the highest power of x is 2. Here we don't have any power, it means 1, and here we don't have anything, so we can write this as x to the power 0. So what is the highest power of x in this equation? This is x to the power 2. Since the highest power is 2, so this kind of equation we name as quadratic equation. Okay. Now what is ABC? ABC is any constant number. Any constant number means a can be 2, 2 by 3, 3, then 7, 13, even minus 14, minus 5, 15, anything that you like, means anything that can be given, but all A, B, C, they will be constant terms, like constant numbers. Okay. Now what is the theory? Means how do we do middle term factorization? So what we have to do, we have to break this number B. Okay. Now before we break, we have to find one more thing. We have to calculate AC. What we will do? We will find the value of AC. Now what is our target? Now we will break this middle term. See, in the middle term means whatever that is present with x, means the coefficient, that is b. So we will break the term b into two different numbers. Suppose I am calling it as p and q. So we are breaking b into two different numbers, p and q, such that p plus q we will get b, or p minus q again we will get b. Means on adding these two numbers or on subtracting these two numbers we will get b. Okay. And another condition, we have to multiply these two numbers and it should match with AC. So what we have to do in middle term factorization? We have to break the coefficient of x into two different numbers. I am calling it as p and q, such that on adding them we will get this b back, and on multiplying them we will get this AC. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
By the way, why you people are wearing mask even during the online class, being seated at home?
Sir, coronavirus, sir.
Okay students, now I will tell you a trick which will help you all to understand that what will be the value of p, what will be the sign of p and q. Means they will be plus, or one will be plus, one will be minus, or both will be minus. So see, here I am making a table. All of you follow the table carefully. It will be very helpful to you all. So let us make a table here B, and here AC, here P, here Q. Okay. Now see, if the sign of the coefficient of B is plus and the sign of that of the coefficient of AC, means the product AC, is again plus, then both this P and Q, both the factors will be positive factors. Means we will have to break B into two numbers which are positive, and on adding them we will get AC. Okay. Now this must be you, Niladri. When will you stop fooling in the class? I am sick of you. Okay, now let's complete the table. So suppose first let me complete it. Okay, if this is minus and this is plus and this two will be minus. If this is minus, this is minus, plus or plus minus. So what I have done here? Next, see from here. If the coefficient of b is negative and that of the coefficient of the product, if the product AC is negative, then the coefficient of, then we will break b into two factors, both of which will be negative. And the third case, if the coefficient of b is negative and the coefficient of the product also has a minus sign, means it is negative, then we will break b into two numbers. The first number will be negative and the second will be positive, or vice versa. And when we will add them, means one negative number, one positive, one negative, one positive, means we are subtracting them, then we will get b back, and then multiplying them we will get AC back. So this table is just to give you an idea what should be the sign of the factors based on the sign of the coefficient. Okay. Who is it now? Once again guys, I have a message. Let me check the message. Okay, now we will solve two examples. Before that, let me rub the board. What is this, Krish? It was you who was doing all this nonsense, and later you will bring a truck full of doubts.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
I will throw you out of the class.
Sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay, now let's write the question. So this is our first question. Minus x squared plus 7x plus 18 equal to 0. So tell me what is the value of a?
Sir, x squared minus x squared.
No, you are wrong as always. The value, whatever that is present along with b, along with x squared, that will be the value of a. So what is present along with x squared? Minus. Now you cannot write minus alone, so with that you have to write minus 1, because minus 1 into x squared will be minus x squared. And similarly, whatever that will be present with x, that will be b, and whatever that will remain alone, just like Niladri, that will be our c. So tell what is the value of b and c?
Sir, b will be 7 and c will be 18.
Yes, you are correct. The value of b is 7 and that of c is 18. Now what we'll have to do? We will have to find AC. Now all these parts you can do it in the rough also, because it is not mandatory to do this part in the sum. So what will be AC? The value of AC will be minus 18 and that of B is 7. Now the sign of B is plus, that of AC is minus. Means what? We will break B into two numbers, into two factors. One will be plus and another one will be minus. Why? If you can't understand why I am able to predict this, you can forward the video and see over there in the table part I have explained that. So what are those two numbers? Now the easy method to find those two numbers is, see this is 18. Now when you are in junior class you used to write the multiples. Similarly here also you will start writing the multiples. So 1 into 18 is 18, then 2 into 9 is 18, then 3 into 6 is 18. Then we don't have 18 in 4th table, 5th table, again in 6th table we have, so 6 into 3 is 18. Okay, now see here, whatever number we have got, this is just the reverse of that one. So we will stop till here and we will not do this step. Now we have got three pairs of number. In the first pair we have got 1 and 18. In the second pair we have got 2 and 9. In the second pair we have got 3 and 6. Now since we knew that here we will have two numbers, which on subtracting we will get 7. So can you see from which pair on subtracting we will get 7? As you all can follow that from the second pair, means 2 and 9. Whenever we will subtract 9, 2 from 9, we will get 7. So this is our second pair. Similarly, if we had here different signs, means suppose we have to break the numbers into two different factors which we have to add, what we will do? Same process, we will write the multiples and from there we will find the pair which on adding or subtracting we will get B, and that we will have to substitute. So what we will do now? So we have minus x square plus. Now see, here is 7, we have 9 and 2. Here the sign is plus, so 9 will be plus or 2 will be plus. As you all can understand, the greater number will have the positive sign because here it is positive. So plus 9x minus 2x plus 18 equal to 0. Okay. Now factorize, see what is common between minus x square and x. So first we will see the numerical part. Between minus and 9, nothing is common. Next x square and x. What is common? X is common. So what remains? Minus x plus 9. Okay. Next, see between minus 2 and 18, what is common? Between minus 2 and 18, 2 is common. Okay. So what will remain? From here 2 I have taken, so minus x remains, and from here 9. So what we will get? Minus x plus 9 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now what we will do? Either we will have minus x plus 9 equal to 0, x will go that side, so we will get x equal to 9, or x plus 2 equal to 0, 2 will go that side, so x equal to minus 2. So in this way we are able to solve our quadratic equation using middle term factorization. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, I have another doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, why do we find it? Why can't math find its own x?
See, it's not like that. Maths help you to deal with many problems regarding your x, the x in your question, and at the same time it helps to deal with other problems as well. Okay. Hey, get up, do the sums. Okay, so let's draw our next question. It is minus 12x square. So what is the value of A, B and C? Tell.
Sir,
A will be minus 12, B minus 4 and C 5.
and C is 5.
Yes, both of you are correct. Now let's solve this. So AC again will be here minus 60, and we have to break B into two numbers such that on multiplying them, on adding them we get minus 4, and on multiplying them we get minus 60. So if you find the multiples of 60, it will be 1 into 60 and all. Now I am not writing all the things. It will be for 6 and 10. See, for 6 into 10 we get 60. Now here it is minus 4. So the greater number will have the minus sign. So here the factors will be minus 10 and plus 6. So it will be 5 minus 10x plus 6x minus 12x squared equal to 0. So now what is common between 5 and 10? It is 5. So what remains? 1 minus 2x. Similarly, what is common between 6 and 12? It is 6. And what is common between x and x squared? It is x. So again here also it will be 1 minus 2x equal to 0. So again from here and here 1 minus 2x is common. So here 1 minus 2x, and here it will be 5 plus 6x. So either 1 minus 2x equal to 0, or 1 equal to 2x, or x equal to 1 by 2, or 5 plus 6x equal to 0, 6x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay guys, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I hope you all to be 100% efficient from this chapter. Means you should be able to do all the sums that comes from this chapter.
Sir, what if I am 69% efficient?
No. It's not nice. Try to rotate yourself. The number. Then whatever will be and then the process will be fun, and at the same time you will get result for all your efforts. Clear?
What, sir? What only I will say, you will give it back to me only, sir.
So whatever we have done, is it clear to both of you? If you have any doubt, put it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Otherwise next day I will take a test and give 0 to both of you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.